Ever felt trapped in the cycle of dieting, counting calories, stressing over every bite, only to feel guilty when it doesn't work? You're not alone. Most diets fail because they're rigid and don't fit your life. Today, I want to show you healthy eating habits that actually stick. Habits that nourish your body instead of punishing it. And the best part? No guilt, no extremes, just sustainable choices that feel natural. Welcome to the Radiant Wellness Hub, your go-to space for holistic health, fitness, and self-care inspiration. Let's start with the biggest mindset shift. Stop dieting. Instead, start nourishing. Do you know why? I will tell you. Diets focus on restriction, rules, and short-term results, while on the other hand, nourishment focuses on giving your body what it needs to feel energized and satisfied. Think of it like filling your tank instead of squeezing every last drop from an empty cup. When you approach food with this mindset, everything changes. You crave what your body actually needs, you enjoy your meals more, and you stop obsessing over every bite. For example, instead of skipping breakfast to cut calories, try a nourishing meal that balances protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs. This simple shift sets your energy up for the day and makes it easier to make better choices later. The first habit is to start your day with intention. Your morning routine sets the tone for your whole day. Start with hydration. A glass of water first thing at least 30 minutes before breakfast wakes up your metabolism, helps digestion, and even improves focus. Pair that with a protein-rich breakfast. It could be eggs with avocado, Greek yogurt with fruit, or even a smoothie packed with greens and protein powder. Why? Protein stabilizes your blood sugar, helps curb cravings, and keeps your energy steady. I always tell people, mornings are your foundation. If you nourish yourself intentionally at the start, it's much easier to maintain balance throughout the day. And don't worry, it doesn't need to be fancy or complicated. Even simple meals done consistently are powerful. Second habit in the list is mindful eating. This one is a game changer. So many of us eat while scrolling on our phones or in front of the TV. The big problem with eating while on gadgets is this. Your brain doesn't register fullness properly, and your body doesn't fully enjoy the food. Instead, slow down. Notice the colors, textures, and flavors. Chew thoroughly. Pay attention to when you start feeling satisfied. This simple habit improves digestion, reduces overeating, and actually helps you enjoy food more. Mindful eating isn't about rules, it's about connection. Connect with your food, your body, and your choices. The third habit is to keep healthy snacks ready. Even with the best intentions, energy dips happen. That's where healthy snacks save the day. Think raw nuts, fresh fruit, yogurt, or chopped veggies. Why does this matter? Having healthy options ready prevents the hungry, impulse-driven choices that often derail healthy eating. It's not about restriction, it's about preparation. A snack like a handful of almonds or an apple with peanut butter keeps your energy consistent and your mood stable. Small, smart choices like this compound over time. The fourth habit is about balance, not perfection. Here's the big one: balance, not perfection. So many people think they need to be perfect. No treats, no indulgences, just clean eating 100% of the time. That mindset is exhausting and unsustainable. Instead, focus on consistency. Make your everyday meals nourishing. Enjoy an occasional treat without guilt. The goal is sustainable habits, not short-term intensity. For example, if you have pizza for dinner, enjoy it. Then make your next meal balanced. Habits stick when they feel achievable, not when they feel like punishment. The last habit is to plan, but don't obsess. Finally, planning is your secret weapon. You don't need to prep every meal in advance, but having a rough plan reduces stress and guesswork. Know what you'll eat for breakfast, lunch, and snacks. Keep your kitchen stocked with basics you enjoy. Planning helps prevent those last-minute choices that feel like sabotage. It also allows flexibility. If plans change, you can adapt without panic. Think of planning as freedom, not restriction. It's about giving yourself the structure to make nourishing choices naturally. Healthy eating isn't complicated, and it's not about perfection. It's about small, consistent habits that nourish your body, stabilize your energy, and improve your well-being. Start small. Start today. Focus on nourishment, not restriction. If this resonated with you, comment "No dieting" below and share how you're planning to nourish yourself this week.